Module 10 is entitled Reconciliation and Forgiveness. This serves as a path to restore interpersonal relationships following destructive conflicts. It presents a contrast to focus on retribution emphasized in our society as the primary approach to understanding conflict resolution. To reconcile and to forgive are interpersonal conflict resolution processes that arise from a mutual interest to come back together with those who have been separated by serious conflict. Upon completing this lesson, you should be able to recognize the complexities presented in reconciliation and forgiveness. Also, identify the layers of communication in reconciliation. Explain reconciliation and forgiveness as a moral orientation in conflict. Distinguish how personal characteristics can affect one's ability to forgive. And explain the intervention continuum and the advantages of mediation.